Okay, this is week 7, and we are solving logarithmic equations. So, because we're solving, we're going to try to figure out what x equals. There are going to be 2 kinds of problems. This is the first kind of problem, and the second type will be in the other video. So, here we go. This is very similar to last time, where last time when you had a like base, you could drop the bases and then just solve the resulting equation. Same thing is going to happen here. So let's say this is our equation. And so this is going to be our first example. So this is the natural log of 4x minus 7 and the natural log of x plus 5. It doesn't matter what these things are. So natural log, they could both be log base 2. They could both be log. It does not matter as long as they are the same thing. You can just drop them and solve the resulting equation. So 4x minus 7 equals x plus 5. So I want to make this clear because there was confusion last week because people saw the E and they thought they needed to do something with it. If it's the same thing, it doesn't matter what it is. When we did the live teaching last week, I even drew pictures of kitty faces and had kitty faces on both sides as the base because it doesn't matter. They drop. As long as they are the same, it does not matter what they are. They go away anyway. So I want to make that especially clear because this week you're going to see some like this. You're going to see some that say log base 2, some that just say log. It does not matter. Just drop it. Okay, so now I can actually solve this equation. I'm going to move the x all to one side. So this is gone on this side, and I have 3x minus 7. And on this side, I am left with 5. Okay, I still have to solve for x. I'm going to move my constant. So instead of taking away 7, I'm going to add 7 to both sides. This side, I'm left with just 3x. And on this side, I have 12. And then my last step, still got to get x alone. Currently, I'm multiplying by 3. So to undo that, I'm going to divide both sides. What I do to one side, I do to the other. And I'm left with x equals 4. Okay, that's it. That's your solution. Yay. That's all you have to do. So I want to make this really clear. I'm not going to do a whole another problem, but if your answer or your equation look like log base 2 of 4x minus 7 equals log base 2 of x plus 5, if you did this, it would be the same thing. You would still go to this step. You just drop the stuff. Same thing. If you had log of 4x minus 7 equals log of x plus 5, same thing. You would still do the same thing. I cannot make this clear enough. Just drop the things that are the same. That's it. And then set them equal to each other and solve for x. So this one has a solution of 4, and so does this one, and so does this one, because they're all going to end up looking the same because you're going to end up dropping the logs on both sides. Okay, that's the first type of problem.